The sculpture does not have any fabulous drag queens in it, right? It doesn't have activists protesting. It just has four very well dressed people kind of spending a quiet afternoon with one another. My name is Amir Abou-Jaoude. I graduated from Stanford in 2020, where I studied art history and American studies. The gay liberation sculpture consists of four figures glazed in this white patina. Segal chose that because he wanted the figures to look as though they were plaster. When he made this sculpture, there was still not a lot of widespread recognition of the toll that AIDS was having on these communities. And so, in some sense, I think that the appearance of these figures relates to the vulnerability and the kind of trauma that is associated with gay liberation. Even though Segal's sculpture is a statement that gay people are here, that they're visible, that they are important enough to be depicted in a work of art, he's also saying that gay liberation is a double-edged sword, that there's pride, but there's also pain associated with that pride. Sometimes, as a gay man searching for your history, it can feel like there is none. One of the things I was thinking about just going through the Stanford University archives was the history of queer students at Stanford. The gay liberation sculpture evidences the presence of queer students on Stanford's campus. It says that we've always been here and that the presence of gay people on this campus has affected the Stanford community in a multitude of ways. And I think that's why it's important that this sculpture is still here. Its very presence is its significance on campus.